Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going over the F250, the hitch and ball on the back. So stay tuned and let's see what we have.
And let's not forget about the Crown Victoria. I haven't did a video on it recently, but I will get around to it. So here we have the ball in the back of the bed. Now there is a setup that I'm going to show you guys how this is actually installed in the back of the bed on the F250. And we are going to change it to a fifth wheel setup. That way you could just, back up easily and have more, to me it's a lot smoother ride. So here we're going to check it out. And as you see, now this is one side, it's a lever, on the other side is a BW. Let me try to get a better shot of that trailer hitch. And so it's actually bolted to the frame of the truck, and then it goes up through the middle of the bed. We are going to walk around to the other side, but this is a close look on this side. As you see, it's a BW trailer hitches, and I got two bolts that's running it into the frame of the truck. Now with this setup, to me, you're going to get you're not going to get the much smooth ride out of this setup, because the truck is actually absorbing all the bumps and all the just as you're going down the road. So therefore, once we install the fifth wheel, which we will have a video on that, the fifth wheel will absorb some of the bumps in the drive of the road and give your truck a much smoother ride. Now this is the other side. You see, this is the lever. This is what keeps the ball in the bed inside the socket. So therefore it won't just jump out, and you just move it to unlock it, and then you lock it back. There you go. You see right there. So that way it keeps it from coming out as you're going down the road. Now leave down in the comment section below if you have this setup, or if you have the fifth wheel setup, and what you think of it. And we have pulled a trailer one time so far with this setup, and the trailer is a 28-foot trailer. It has it was an empty trailer, it was a fifth wheel, and we did fill every bump in the road with it. So that's why we're going to go ahead and bump it up to the fifth wheel. Now, not sure the difference if the trailer would have been loaded, would there have been a difference, or would it have been worse? But it wouldn't hurt to go with the fifth wheel. And this is, like I said, this is FX4. This is an F250, a 2019 model. Only has 8,000 miles on it. In the setup so far, like I said, we only pulled the trailer one time with it, and that was to go pick it up. So let me know what you guys think of the setup once again. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button to see more videos of this setup here, and of the Crown Victoria that I will be making more videos on soon.